If you're a guy who cares about how you look and feel, this one's for you. It's always been hard to find a good skincare routine for men that's easy, affordable, and effective until I came across Brickell Men's products. They have a free sample kit that comes with a ton of options to try before you commit to a specific product. And to be honest, I wasn't sure where to start, but they included a quick start guide with tips and tricks to make sure I was creating a routine that actually works. All the products are made from natural and organic ingredients, so I don't have to worry about what's going on my skin. After trying out the sample kit, I ended up creating a morning and evening routine with a clarifying gel wash, daily essential face moisturizer, and a restoring eye cream. My face has never felt so good. It just took a few minutes to head over to their site and get my free sample kit. You can even choose if you want your products scented or unscented, which is a great option for sensitive skin. Once you've made your choice, proceed through checkout, and it's that easy. Just pay for shipping, and you're on your way to better skin. Now this is what men's skincare is supposed to look like.